In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a tailgate close switch on your Dodge Durango. This is going to be located inside of the tailgate. Let's get started. We're going to remove the trim for our liftgate. To do that, we're going to get our fingers right behind this panel and we're going to pull straight down towards us. When you do that, you'll hear the clips pop. Using a plastic trim tool, you're going to go to the corner. You're going to pop this corner out and down. Do the same thing on the other side. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to pop the plastic handles out, get behind that lip, and pop it out. Do the same thing on the other side. We're going to continue going around the outside of our panel, pulling down, releasing the tabs. Continue going around, removing all of the clips. If you need to, you can use a trim tool. Pop all the clips, and we have two connections that we need to undo before we remove this rear trim. We're going to remove the connector. To do this, there's a tab on this back side you're going to lift up. Lift up on the tab and remove the connector. Do the same thing on the other side. Looking up into the tailgate, you're going to find the connector for our switch. We're going to push back on the red lock tab and then push down on that red lock tab and pull back, and you can undo the connector for the switch. Pull that harness out of your way. Now we're going to have two T20 screws that we have to remove. With a long bit, these are reachable without removing the actuator. Remove the two screws and remove the switch. Install the new switch. Get the screws started. Make sure they're nice and snug. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Be sure that red locking tab is closed. Install the connectors for the lights on the tailgate. Do the same thing on the other side. Get them fully installed, make sure they click into place. Line up all the clips for the tailgate and push them into place. Get the inside corners pushed up into place. Install the handles into place. Be sure they click into place. Close the tailgate and check the function of the switch, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.